Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to perform an initial setup on this laptop without using a Microsoft account. So the first thing you do not have to do is to connect to the Wi-Fi, and if you already did that, then don't worry, you can either turn off the router if you have access to it, or just leave the area to some place where your Wi-Fi signal is unreachable. And once you do that, you have to simply press the combination of keys Shift and F10 simultaneously to open the CMD window. And in this CMD window, you'll have to enter the command that is OBE / bypass and a row. So just copy this command, enter it on your PC and press enter, and then wait until your device is restarted. And once your laptop is restarted, you can proceed with the setup process. So first select right country or region and click yes to confirm. Then do the same for the keyboard layout. So select the right keyboard layout and press yes again. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, click add layout and proceed. Otherwise click skip. Then instead of connecting to the network, select I don't have internet option, and then enter the username. Click next, then create a password for your account if you want to, but you don't have to. You can skip this step by clicking next. Now select some privacy settings for your device. Location, diagnostic data, find my device, inking and typing, tailored experiences, advertising ID. If you want a brief description of each of these options, location lets you get experiences like weather, news, directions, etc. Find my device feature lets you find your device in case it gets lost. Diagnostic data sends your data to Microsoft for research. Inking and typing sends your data to Microsoft. Your data about inking and typing to Microsoft for research. And tailored experiences and advertising ID basically give you a personalized ads. Okay, when you're content with your choice, just click accept, and then just wait for the setup to complete. And at this point the setup is finished. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.